Hello, this is Sara Abrons, Executive Editor at rAVe Publications, and I'm here on day 3 of ISE 2020 in Amsterdam. And I'm here at MAXHUB with Darren Lin, who is Vice General Manager of MAXHUB. How are you today, Darren?
Fine, thank you.
How has the show been for you so far?
I think it's fantastic because this time when our customer, no matter new customer or existing customer, they come, they see is simple and professional.
And speaking of simple and professional, you have a new product that's right behind us that is also called MAXHUB. Can you tell me a bit about that product?
Yes, our product is easy to install, and normally you take just 2 hours by 2 person. You can make our solution to work. And also, it's just need a plug and play because we already integrate all material into one system. So people, users just pick up the remote control, can do everything by remote control. It's like a TV.
So it's a direct view LED display all in one, right? And it only takes 2 hours to install, you said?
Yes.
So very simple.
Very simple, very to install for MAXHUB solution.
Okay, and all-in-one, what does that include?
All-in-one include, actually when we call all-in-one, it includes the LED panel and Android system and the power board and the control board and the hub board. And actually it's more than LED solution. We also can connect it to our smart podium to do a total solution. So when we talk about all-in-one LED, we can say it's more than LED solution.
Okay, but the fact that it's direct view LED is pretty unique because the application that you're kind of targeting this at is, you know, conference rooms, sort of large lecture halls, that kind of thing. I have a few ideas about some other applications, but I wanted to hear what else you're targeting it at. So what do you think?
Our target for large meeting room and the auditorium and the lecture hall, because this LED solution is suitable for that, especially based on MAXHUB solution. We can use our smart podium to do interaction with our audience. It's really new for users because they never seen this kind of solution. So that's the value we want to deliver to our customers.
Yeah, and actually the room we're in right now, we're at a hotel, has a huge window right behind us. So you can really tell how bright the direct view LED is for MAXHUB. So I think it would be a really good solution for a meeting room that actually had a window or some lighting that was quite bright that you couldn't necessarily turn down, or for a flexible meeting space, which you see on university campuses and corporate campuses a lot more often now, where you could have training and meeting rooms and conference rooms all in one space.
Exactly.
So this is a pretty new solution. You guys are new to Europe and the US. You have a few partners here in Europe, right?
Yeah, we already have a very good partner in Spain, and we welcome more new partners to join MAXHUB.
So you're looking for new partners as well?
Yeah.
Okay, well you heard it here first. If you're a distributor or a dealer interested in speccing MAXHUB in Europe, where can they get more information?
Yes, you can get more information from our website, maxhub.vip/en.
Okay, thanks so much and stay tuned for more coverage from ISE 2020.